Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 1, which is this card right here. And we've got lots going on with this card. I've got all my stamps set up on acrylic blocks. Now, I have more than one acrylic block because I've had more than one kit overall. You will get one acrylic block in your first Paper Pumpkin subscription box. After that, you just reuse it. You won't get another block in each kit as for your subscription. You reuse the first one, but I've had lots of the different kits, Paper Pumpkin and the Stampin' Up! Kits, so I got tons of blocks. It just makes it easier to keep going. So what we need is our card base, and this is the one that's completely blank. We're going to take our Secret C ink spot, and we're going to ink up, but I am going to just Versamark these. Because I know sometimes the Night of Navy can make the stamps kind of a reddish color when you wash the ink off. So I'm just going to prep these with the Versamark. So I'm going to ink up this little bouquet of flowers, make sure I've got really good coverage on that. And we're going to stamp it down in the middle, just above the middle. There we go. We're going to ink it up again. Okay, and then we're going to stamp it the other way underneath, like that. Oh, I didn't get all the ink on that, so I'm just going to line this back up again. Sorry if my head's in the way, because we can, there we go, line up photopolymer stamps again. So I did over ink that one a little bit. I'm not going to worry about it. So then we need the "You Are Loved" saying. And we're going to pull this back in, and we're going to stamp the "You Are Loved" right in the middle there. There we go. Now, the only thing you should need, other than just as a pair of scissors, is the only thing you should need. Now, if you don't have a bone folder, you can always use the edge of your block just to squash that down. Okay. What we need to do now is on the outside of the card is we need to take our little designs here, almost like an eyelet. We need to ink that up, and we're going to stamp one down here like this. Okay. And then we're going to stamp another one here like this, and they've overlapped them a little bit. So you get a little bit of double image there. Okay, and then they've overlapped and almost popped it right on top of this one. So there we go. So you can see the double stamping kind of going on there. And then we're going to ink it up again. And we're going to layer this one up here, just like that. Okay. All right, so our last thing to stamp is our "Thank You." And I'm just going to pop it off there so you can see it. What's really neat about this one is all the greetings are on that same, or all the banners for the greetings are on that same kind of petal flecked paper. So this needs to go this way around, and we're going to stamp the "Thank You" on it, right on that, I think it's cloud cover stripe. So there we go. All right. Love, love, love this already. Okay, so now we fold this in half, and we put dimensionals on the back of the center piece. So we're going to put one in each corner, one in the middle. Okay, one in each corner. And then for the greeting, we're only going to put them along the straight edge. And that's because the center will be dimensionalized. And if we dimensionalize the whole thing, it would be double dimensionaled. So we're just going to peel these off. And that one just, oh no, it is peeled off. Sometimes you can't tell. I know some demonstrators use a highlighter and zigzag all over there so they can see if they've taken the backing off or not. We're going to pop this down in the middle like this. like that. And then we're going to add our greeting. If you wanted to, you could put a little bit of adhesive here, but I don't know that it's actually going to be necessary. We're going to pop this down right here along the edge of the card like that. So that is, and you know what, I am just going to touch just a little touch of adhesive under here. We didn't get any adhesive with this kit. I'm only adding adhesive just as for my own preference, but I'm just going to take a Stampin' spot or an adhesive spot. I'm going to see if I can peel the backing of that off. There we go. And then I'm just going to pick it up and I'm just going to tuck it down like that. And then make sure this is straight and just touch it down like that. There we go. So that is our first project using the August 2025 Farmhouse Florals. Is that what it's called? Yes, Farmhouse Florals paper pumpkin kit. Stay tuned for project number 2.